YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video. Just got back from Oklahoma. Went out there for some family matters, and I get a call from my race secretary that there's a gentleman in Columbia that has one of the birds that I lost back on the 21st of last month. It's one of my white pigeons. Apparently, I don't know the full story yet, but apparently it was found at a Home Depot in Columbia, Tennessee, which is south of me. And it was walking around, and they were afraid it was going to get run over by some of the fork trucks because it wasn't, wasn't flying. It was just walking around. Well, apparently it does fly. Well, anyway, the guy caught it by throwing a sheet over it, and he took it home and did the amazing thing of calling in the band number. They contacted my race secretary. My race secretary gave me his information. I contacted him, and I'm heading down there to get it. So we'll see what's going on. I'll bring you back when I get there. Okay, I got the bird, had a nice visit with the man. I didn't feel comfortable filming or recording or videoing or whatever we're calling it these days. So now I'm heading home, and I'll show you the bird when I get there. We should be, I don't know, about 20 minutes from home, and I'll give you the story. Hey everybody, I'm home. I got my bird. I'm gonna take him back here. I already checked him out. He looks pretty good. Not too, looks like the trip didn't do him too bad. I'm gonna put him here in the old bird loft. Here, let me get him loose and I'll explain all that to you in a second. Okay, yes, he is one of my young birds. He was lost on that bad toss I had on August 21st. And apparently he's been living at a Home Depot since then. So that's where he has been. I'm gonna come out here and check on these guys. Young birds are all still doing pretty good. But I put him over in the old bird loft because I'm not going to race him because he's been gone for too long. These guys have been on many tosses since then. They're going on a 50-mile toss in the morning. So, yep, even Hoppy there. So these guys are going on a 50-mile toss in the morning, and I didn't want to put him through that since he hadn't been here. So I probably just won't race them. I'll just keep them over in my old bird loft. But everybody over here is doing really well. It's only 2:30, so they're not going to get fed for another couple of hours. I'm going to cut them down. I'm going to give them about a half feeding tonight because, like I said, I was gone for a family thing for 4 days, and they're a little overfed, but they're doing well. So I'm going to go ahead and post this little video. I didn't post one on Sunday. I was out of town. So I'm going to post this about getting the bird back. And I'd like to thank him for calling, getting the number, contacting a race secretary. As we all know, losing the pigeons, hard, but when someone makes all the effort to get them back to you, it's our responsibility to go get them. And we know how that is. So I will see you guys on the next one.